My amazing teachers, Miss Bailey and Mr. Skipper, have helped me like bring me out of my shell, out of my comfort zone, so I could learn so much more about the vet program. And not even just our entire ag program is so amazing there, and the teachers are so nice and caring and help you learn in just hands-on ways that are just really very helpful when it comes to learning about the ag and vet program. It gives me an opportunity to learn more about the field and how things work in the field and how I would go for different opportunities for my future if I want to pursue the vet field more.
So when students come and join us at Countryside, they come with a packet of questions that we help them prepare for that correlates with their studies that they're going through while they're in high school. And they bring with them a lot of enthusiasm and a nice young energy that we really enjoy.